Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Today, we're gonna walk through the process of generating a blog using Blaze so you can get back hours of your life while still generating that high quality long format content that business owners like yourself desperately need. From the homepage, click Create New. Then locate the blog post/SEO category, and then locate and start the blog post wizard. Now fill in the text prompt to describe what content you want generated for your blog. Here, you're gonna wanna be as detailed as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and paste in a prompt that I wrote earlier. Click Have Blaze autofill the rest once you've inserted your prompt. Then you're just gonna need to review the choices that Blaze made for you, making any adjustments as you go. Starting here with doc name and the project. These both work for me, but I could edit them if I need to. Next, we're gonna outline the goal of the post. And there are a lot of options here, but I think informational works best for my blog. You choose what works best for yours. Now, review the target audience. Blaze has done a good job here as well, but I could edit this if I need to. Blog length is next. And here we could make our blog longer or shorter. Medium works for me. Moving on, keywords are next. Here, you could outline any keywords that you want to include in your blog. You can add more if you feel like any are missing, or remove any that don't seem to work. Brand kit is next, and it's already got Casanelli coaching selected, so we're good there. In the more ways to configure section, you can further refine the contents of your blog. You can add in a call to action, outline who the author is, include a product or service description, specify any words, phrases, or concepts that you want Blaze to avoid using when authoring your blog, and even a catch-all category for things that may not fit anywhere else. Once you've verified everything on this page, click Titles to proceed. Blaze is going to go ahead and author a handful of titles for you. Go ahead and review them and select your favorite. The text fields that you see here are all editable, so you can always tweak something that is really close but maybe doesn't feel just quite right. You can also have Blaze generate new titles for you, or author your own if you want. Once you have a title selected, click Generate Outline. Blaze will now author an introduction paragraph and an outline with headers and subheaders to show you the flow of the blog. Everything on this page is also editable, so if you don't like something in the subheading, just remove it. Or if you feel like something is missing, just add it. Once you're happy with everything, click Select Links. Incorporating internal and external links helps with SEO. Blaze has found some online, but you can also add your own links or remove any that don't work, especially if you see a competitor here. Once you've got your links outlined, click Select Images. Blaze will recommend a handful of images from the stock image library. Select any that you might want to include in your blog. Clicking Show More will show you more options from that stock image library. If you click Add from another source, you can use Blaze to generate an image using AI. Upload something from your computer, link to an image online somewhere, manually find a stock image in the stock image library, a GIF from the GIF library, or any images that you might have in your brand kit. I'm gonna go ahead and select a few of the original recommendations. Make your image selections and then click Generate Post. Blaze takes us into Blaze Documents, where it gets to work authoring the blog for us, complete with the images that we pre-selected earlier. Once it finishes, you have a handful of ways that you can work. The first and obvious way is to just manually review and edit the blog yourself. This obviously is going to take the longest. Blaze offers some tools though to help make this process faster. In the Improve Your Content section, you can click Improve Quality, where Blaze will attempt to rewrite the entire blog and improve it. This all happens in a popover window where you can review the output and decide if you want to replace the original copy or just add the new version below your existing blog to compare. You can also adjust the tone and change the length. And when you're done, you can even use the content in the blog to generate other shorter format content like social media posts, newsletters, and more. But that's a video on its own though. Before you publish your blog, we also offer tools like SEO analysis and a plagiarism checker. You can also review and configure the blog metadata as well, adjusting things like the title, author, summary, featured image and alt text, blog categories, tags, and URL slugs. If you're using our WordPress integration to automatically publish your content to your WordPress website, you can click Choose How to Post and then schedule a date and time to publish your blog post. You could even publish it right away if you wanted. If you're manually posting your blog, we have tools for this too. We have a one-click copy text to clipboard button and a download post media only button, so you can easily make short work of getting everything over to your site builder. I'm gonna go ahead and publish the blog right away by clicking Choose How to Post, Schedule to Post Automatically, then Post Now. Blaze is gonna get to work in the background publishing my blog on my WordPress site. Let's jump over there and check it out. Wow. I don't know about you, but I could burn hours, sometimes days, getting a blog to this level. But you were able to do it in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, give it a like. Also, you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, right? We're constantly releasing new content to help business owners just like you save time and money while growing your business too. So don't miss out on our next one.